Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So we're going to begin by taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through both the interior and exterior major talking points. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there I'll go a bit more in depth on the interior features. The vehicle itself is the 420D M Sport Gran Coupe, and as you can see it's presented in the carbon Schwarz or carbon black. We've also fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside fitting brand new 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels. And at the front of the vehicle you'll see it is a 2015 15 plate, and you'll also be able to see the angel light and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the vehicle you'll see the gloss back air breathers, alongside the YNC Mperformance decals and that already very standout Oyster Dakota leather, which we'll be able to take a close-up look at as we go ahead now. So there you can see that in a bit more detail. It comes with both the electric lumbar and the heated seat options in the front, and we've got the very nice aluminum hexagon and estrel blue accent interior trim. Moving on to take a look at the rear seats now, where you have a 3-seat Isofix rear bench and the centre folding armrest, as you can see there. And being an M Sport model, we do have that very nice darkened M Sport headlining, which is all in a very nice condition, much like the rest of the vehicle. One last look at this side alloy wheel before we head round to the rear of the vehicle for a closer inspection. Of course, both the interior luggage capacity and of course the high gloss rear diffuser and the matching rear spoiler. I'll open up that tailgate, and there you can see just how large the luggage capacity is for the Gran Coupe. Alongside the genuine floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle, you also have the folding seat option on this vehicle, which really does enhance on an already large luggage capacity. Moving around to the other side of the car, again the very nice carbon black really standing out very nicely, especially with that interior colour, makes for a very nice matching, and of course the YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Inside the vehicle, again this vehicle has some very nice interior features to talk about, so we'll get straight into it with the professional wide navigation and media screen, which you can currently see is on the DAB screen. Alongside that you get a wide array of multimedia inputs, including CD, DVD, the music collection, and of course external devices covers your USB, Bluetooth audio and your AUX inputs. The satellite navigation system on the 4 Series, much like all of the rest of the BMW range, is a very user-friendly and a very good system. Bluetooth, again as we've covered it, it does have Bluetooth audio as well as Bluetooth telephone. And heading back to the main menu, we'll go ahead and have a look at the vehicle service information and service requirements. That dual climate control down here is also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. This vehicle has covered just over 78,000 miles, however it is in impeccable condition. And as you can see here on screen now, it's not due a service for 16,000 miles. And we'll also show you that it has got the 7-speed automatic gearbox paired with that lovely 2-litre diesel engine up front. In terms of the vehicle service history, as you can see there currently on screen now, we've got full BMW service history, and it's recently had a visit to BMW, which was for a major service including all of the filters, which is great news for any potential next owner of the car, because of course it does mean when the next service is due, it is just going to be a very basic oil and oil filter change. So as always guys, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, and I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. A good way to stay up to date with us here at Your Next Car, if you've not yet already done so and you are a regular to YouTube, please remember to hit that subscribe button. That way you can see all of our latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car. Other than that, the last thing to say is if you want to find out further information on this lovely car, look down in the description, you'll find all of the relevant contact information alongside the link to our website to check the vehicle out, along with the prices and finance options. Thanks for watching, do of course take care, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you, goodbye.